much can Meenu skip? Meenu, what are you doing? I am skipping, Buzz. Oh, you skip so well, Meenu. Even I skip well, Buzz. Let us play a game. We will count how many times we can skip.
Hey, that's fun. Let us use this board and these buttons.
I like the color yellow. So I will keep the yellow button. I like red. I will keep the red button.
I will keep the blue buttons.
That's right, Buzz. Oh, Chinu, you are out. Futta, you hop now. Buzz will count. 5. Oh, Futta, you are out. Let us see who won. Chinu did 18. I did 13. And Futta did 5. Buzz, can you tell who won? I know. It's Chinu because 18 is the biggest. That's right. Come, let us go to the market now. I have to buy some pencils. Market? Come, let us go. Uncle, I want 5 pencils, 1 eraser and this book.
Well, the pencils are for 4 rupees, the eraser is for 2 rupees and the book is for 6 rupees.
Okay, that is 12 rupees. Uncle, here. 1 10-rupee note and 2 1-rupee coins.
Thank you.
Meenu, wait. How did you add so fast? It is very easy, Buzz. The pencils are for 4 rupees. The eraser is for 2 rupees and the book is for 6 rupees. So, we have to add 4, 2 and 6. First, I added 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Oh, that's how you added it fast. That's right, Buzz. Come, let us buy some fruits. Auntie, I want to buy these bananas, mangoes and apples.
Okay, it is 3 rupees for the bananas, 7 rupees for the mangoes and 5 rupees for the apples.
Okay, that is 15 rupees. Here, Auntie, 1 10-rupee note and 1 5-rupee coin. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Chinu, you also added very fast. Yes, Buzz. I had to add 3, 7 and 5. First I did 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10. Then I did 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. That's fast. Let us see what Futta is buying.
I bought a kite, a doll and a bat. The kite is for 1 rupee. The doll is for 7 rupees. And the bat is for 9 rupees.
Now I will tell you how to add fast. We have to add 1, 7 and 9. First, it is 9 plus 1 equals to 10. Then 10 plus 7 equals to 17. It is 17 rupees. I did it. That's right, Buzz. Now you can also add very fast. Thank you, Uncle. Come, let us go home now. We will play a new game. Buzz, you can add in that also. Hey, that will be fun. Look, I have lots of seeds. I will put them here now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the game, Chinu?
If you want 18 seeds, how will you take it, Meenu?
I know. First, I will take these 10 seeds. Then, I will take these 8 seeds. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Look, I have 18 seeds.
Meenu, you have to take it from 3 groups to make it 18.
I will do it. First, let me put back the 8 seeds here and the 10 seeds here. Okay, I will take 9 seeds from here, then 1 seed and then 8 seeds. So, 9 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 18. Look, 18 seeds.
This is fun. I will also do it. Meenu, will you please put them back?
Okay, Futta, you can take out 15 seeds.
First, I will take 6 seeds. Then, I will take 4 seeds. And then, I will take 5 seeds. 6 plus 4 plus 5 is 15. Look, I have 15 seeds.
Hey, this is fun. I also want to do it. Futta, put them back. Give me a number, Meenu. I will give you a small number, Buzz. You can take out 9 seeds. Okay, I will do it. First, I will take 4 seeds. Then, I will take 3 seeds. Then, I will take 2 seeds. 4 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 9. Look, I have 9 seeds.
You can also play a game like this with your friends. It will be lots of fun.
Friends, will you tell me which number is the biggest? If you give your answers loudly, then Buzz will pick it up for you. 18, 7, 21. Twenty-one. 9, 15, 11. 15. 29, 26, 7. 29. 17, 6, 37. 37. 14, 45, 19. Forty-five. Now, will you tell which number is the smallest? If you give your answers loudly, then Buzz will pick it up for you. 11, 7, 18. Seven. 15, 14, 11. 11. 37, 26, 19. 19. 15, 6, 49. 6. 12, 13, 15. 12. Buzz cannot add very fast in his mind. Will you help him, friends? You can give the answers loudly and he will pick it up for you. 16 plus 20 is equal to 36. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 11 plus 4 is equal to 15. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. 18 plus 10 is equal to 28. Will you match the following? 5 plus 6 plus 4. 15. 8 plus 7 plus 2. 17. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 10. 3 plus 6 plus 7. 16. 4 plus 10 plus 6. 20. 5 plus 6 plus 4. 15. 8 plus 7 plus 2. 17. 5 plus 3 plus 2. 10. 3 plus 6 plus 7. 16. 4 plus 10 plus 6. 20.